morning, guys! Late na ako nakapag-vlog kasi I've been busy. Tapos naglaba ako unti. Ayan, nakasabi. And then, gumawa ng lunch ni James at kung ano-ano pang ginawa. So, late na tayo. It's 10 to 11 na. So, yung ating pa-attire is a dress. This one. Tapos, naka-flat sandals lang ako. There. Si James naka-shorts. And then, stripe. We're gonna go now kasi punta kami sa dagat. Paglaruin namin si James kasi maganda yung araw. Maaraw today. Come on! So, yun ang ruta natin. Aalis na kami. Ayan. Can you open the door? Hi? That's it. Open it. Good boy. Come on. Go. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Yeah, going daddy's car. Are you gonna go this way? Come on. This way. That's it. Yay! Good boy. Ang haba na ng buhok mo, nak. Hi? Your hair is ever so long now. I think there's a tractor outside. Yeah, where's daddy's car? Do you know where's daddy's car? Hi? Where is it then? Yay! Good boy. Ayun pa si Mister, nag-lock ng ano. Yay! Excited, oh. Dito na kami, guys. Dito kami sa Perranporth. Kapark lang namin ng car. And we're gonna walk around. Bibili pala ako ng slipper kasi wala akong dalang slipper. Yung flat sandals ko. Wala. Nabasa ng tubig nung nakaraan. Parang mag-give up na siya. So, kailangan kong bumili ng chinelas. Flip-flop. Weather-wise today is really good. It said yesterday was gonna rain, isn't it? But obviously not. Good, good, good. Si Mr. ang tagatulak ni James. So, walk na tayo papuntang town, then going to the sea. Ito yung town, guys. Maglakad ka. Started to get busy now. Oh, I spot some slipper, daddy. $5.99, oh, diba? Okay na yan. Yeah. Bit soft, no? Yeah, I think that should do. Bili tayo. I'm not lucky. Walang size na kasya sa akin, so we're gonna find more. Hanap kami ng iba. Marami naman ding shop dito. Everywhere. So hopefully I can find one. And we can walk a bit farther. Dito na kami naglakad papuntang dagat. Maraming tao. Pero naman, yung pag-stay nila is naka-distance pa rin, which is good. I'll show you. Ayan, oh. It's getting a bit busy, yeah. Ano kasi maaraw. Nakabili pala kami ng laruan ni James, and then I managed to get some slipper. I'll show you later. So we're all good to go para maglaro yung ating maliit. Excited na siya, oh. Wala yung aming maliit, nagwawala. Ewan ko kung bakit. Ayaw niya, ayun, oh. Iyak ng iyak. Dito ako sa tubig, oh. Oh, nagwawala. Maraming nagsusurf dito kasi yung alon, oh. Ayan na, naglalaro na siya. Yay! Come on, jump! Now, mommy's leper. Wah! Whee! Oh no, mommy's leper sinking! Oh no! Oh no, mommy's leper's. Whee! Ang ganda ng bato dito, oh. Maganda rito mag-picture taking. Diba? Si James tuwang-tuwa na. Yay! Cold, isn't it? Ito pala yung nabili kong tsinelas, oh. Pang surfing siya, very comfy. Quite expensive, pero worth it kasi super comfy. Ayan, maganda. Black is my color. Tampisaw, tampisaw. We are heading back now sa car, guys. I think we had enough. Mainit na. Ang dami na ring tao. And this little man, I think, had a nice time. Then you, Baba? Marami na tao, oh. Ayan. It's a bit crowded now. So, iwas na lang sa crowd. Pero, ano naman, maganda kasi they're very disciplined. Marunong talaga silang dumistansya sa kapwa. And then the bar there looks packed. Bili muna kami ng ice cream. Break time. I'm queuing. Masarap yung ice cream nila dito. Ayan, ang daming choices. I'm gonna get my mask first. Ito yung aming ice cream. This mine is mango effing mess. Si James, ayaw niya kainin yung kanyang vanilla. Mr. having a big mint choc chip. Yung maliit o ayaw kumain. Sana pala hindi na ako nag-order. Dito kami sa tabi-tabi guys. Kumakain ng ice cream. Kasi mahirap kumain ng ice cream maglalakad. Yung isa nagtutulak ng pram. Yung kay James, tinap ko namin. Sayang, ayaw niya kainin. Mahal-mahal pa naman. Ang sarap ng ice cream. I don't know why the ice cream here is really nice than where we are. Cone pa lang, panalo ka na eh. With chocolate. Goodbye ang diet. Dito kami sa labas ng shop. Kasi bumili si Mr. ng short. Wala siyang short. Limutan ko magdala ng short kasi akala ko medyo malamig dito. So, he buy one. Andun pumila. Where's he? Para magbayad. Sakit na naman ang sikmura ko. Walang almusal, walang tanghalian, di ba? Buhay ka pa dyan. Hi guys! Dito na pala kami bumalik kasi I feel ill. Nandulumo ako, nanghihina kasi I got no breakfast tapos wala akong lunch. Kaya nanghihina ako at suka ako ng suka. Inatake ako ng ulcer. So, Mr. decided we're gonna go back here. But anyway, nakabalik kami dito about 4 o'clock, 4:30 siguro or mga ganun 4:30. Tapos yun, medyo okay na ako ngayon kasi kumain ako ng fruits. Hindi ko binigla yung tiyan ko. So, I feel a bit better now. Nakakain ako ng fruits, grapes. Tapos na yun, mag-cranberry juice ako. I still got my cranberry juice. Nakapag-load pala ako ng washing. Kaya medyo maingay. Kasi bumili kami ng washing liquid para makapaglaba paunti-unti para pag uwi natin, pagbalik dun sa bahay, walang masyadong labahan. Kasi may washing machine naman dito. So, why not, diba? Maganda kasi yung araw. Sarap. Cranberry juice is a good drink kasi to sa UTI or whatever, basta this is a good drink, cranberry. Medyo kaasiman siya pero kung healthy naman, di ba? I'm gonna get the dinner soon as well kasi 5 o'clock na. Gutom na rin si Mr. kasi hindi din siya nag-lunch. Doon kasi sa pinuntahan namin, walang masyadong restaurant. Kung mayroon man, all are packed. So, hindi kami talaga. Ang nakain lang namin is yung ice cream lang. Yun lang. Si James, napag-lunch siya kasi diba nagdala ko ng baon niya. Siya lang. While nandun kami sa dagat. Pero kami ni Mr. walay, patubig-tubig lang. Hindi kinaya ng power ko. So, ngayon, upo-upo muna kami. Up-up pala. to recover a little bit. Tapos ready ng dinner. Tapos yung washing kung matapos. I-hang ko sa sa labas. Super comfy yung slipper na nabili ko. Para siyang sa atin, sa Pinas, parang islander. Ang tawag nila dito yung sa surfer. Super soft siya. Ganda. It's a bit pricey, pero minsan ang bibilhin ko yung tag 2 pounds lang. Wala namang magkasya. Pero ito, I'm sure it's gonna last long kasi matigas yung dito niya. Tapos yung ito, super soft. So, okay. Upo-upo muna ako sa grip. And then, mag-prepare tayo ng dinner. Nagluto na ako, guys. Yung sa akin, tapos na. At saka kay James. Ang ulam ini. Pakita ko sa inyo. Now, I'm doing Mr. The steak and the chips and the gravy. So, we can have our dinner. This is my food. I got vegetable, a little bit stir fry. And then the pork belly barbecue. Salted egg with tomato. I got my cranberry juice. James is mac and cheese. And then I'm doing Mr. Steak now. And then what's in the microwave is the gravy. And then the oven is the chips. Kain tayo! Yung aking fooding. Tas panghimagas namin mango grapes. Si Mr. Steak. Little Baba there is having his own. Kain tayo, kain. Marami na kaming gutom. This little one is doing well. He nearly done his food. Oopsie. Ako, hindi ko naubos yung akin. Merong pang gulay. And then, yung half ng isang pork belly. Itong, si Mr. kumain ito. Ito, maghahati kami ni James. Kinain ko na yung buto. But this one, we gonna hati-hati with Baba. Si Mr. Empty. Nyam-nyam. Yung isa, nagkamay na, oh. Di na kaya, Babs. Kamay na lang. Better pa. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.